Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question, and today our question is count the number of special characters part 2. And this was a follow-up question for the first question of the contest. And this question says, what this question says is that we are given a string word and a letter C. Just a second. And a letter C is known as special. A letter C is known as special if it appears both in uppercase and lowercase in word, but every lowercase occurrence of C appears before the first uppercase occurrence of C. Very important. Yes. So all the lowercase letters in which character is same. See, all the lowercase letters should be previous or behind the uppercase letters. You can say all the uppercase letters. How many uppercase letters? Because first occurrence of uppercase letter should be, should be ahead of last occurrence of the lowercase. That is the crux. That is simply the crux of the problem, and it is a very simple problem in this manner. So what essentially I need first index. I need first index, first index of the, yes, uppercase, and last index of the lowercase. And if the first index of the uppercase is greater than last index of the lowercase, it's good, and I can increment and I can include that in my answer. So let us actually see the code how we can do that. So we will do the same thing only. We can have two mapping kind of arrays, one for uppercase and other for lowercase. Yes or no? Now we will first of all identify the first occurrence and the last occurrence of all the letters. So it is very, very simple. We will iterate the array, and if it is in uppercase, if the element is in uppercase, that means I need its first occurrence. So I'll initialize it with -1. So if it is equals to -1, then I will update that to that index. Yes, then I will update that to that index, and it's due to mapping, so I have to do s of I minus a. Which index? S of I minus a. I have to update it to I. Now, if it is a lowercase, so I need the last index. So I will keep updating. I will not use this condition here. I will keep updating it until and unless it becomes the last element. Okay. Finally, very, very simple. I can check. See, both of these will have the same mapping. For example, small a will be at 0th index, and capital A will be at the 0th index in A array, and this will be in B array. So I can simply compare their indexes. Now, but these two should be present. So these two should not be in a -1. And if B of I is less than A of I, that means the first occurrence, the last occurrence of lowercase letter is lesser than the first occurrence of the uppercase letter. I can simply increment my count and return my. So yeah, guys, this was the problem. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button and press the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.